Oh, it's going. Hey everybody, I am back in the alley, the Irish alley. Yeah, today's a really nice day actually. It's not raining like the other day that I was filming. So today I am gonna go for a little nature walk. I already walked around and explored the town a bit, so today is gonna be all about seeing what kind of like little nature things are around. Okay, so I've already been through this area before, but I know that there is a little like park further down. It has been just under a mile so far, so not too far. I'm not really sure where I'm going right now. I'm just kind of going uphill. I want to go up on the mountain. I have no idea how far it is or if I'll make it, but yeah, just kind of walking uphill, see where I end up. Yeah, I want to go like there somewhere. It's probably a lot further than it looks, and it's all uphill, but I don't know, I'm just gonna kind of walk until I get tired and then go back. Hi cows. Hi other cows. Just realized that I didn't have my camera on like the nice setting, so I may ooh, look at this. Anyway, ooh, look at these. Sorry. Start with the good quality stuff right now, and yeah, I'm like, yeah, okay, anyway. Let's see, for context, way over there, you can see kind of a little like steeple. That's about where I started. And I'm not really following a path, clearly. I'm just kind of on like a road because I don't know where I'm going at all. I'm just kind of wandering. I just started walking towards the mountain, and eventually started climbing once I got near. So yeah, I don't know, I'm having fun. Well, just started the actual video with the good quality, and I guess my hike is over because I don't want to go trespass on private land. Ooh, I know what I want to do. We're gonna go down there. So it didn't quite make it all the way up there, but that's fine. If I actually want to go like all the way to the peak, I'm sure I'd have to actually like plan it out instead of just kind of wandering around. There's probably some sort of actual like hill or hiking trail that I can go up, but I just kind of started wandering. Anyway, yeah, so I'm kind of taking a different route back because I want to go see if I can get down towards the river that leads into the sea or the ocean or whatever's down there. So yeah, here's that. Oh, for reference though, like I did make it up towards where all those little houses are. Okay. I just looked at the map, and it looks like up ahead, not too far, there's actually like another road that might lead me a lot higher up than even where I just was. And if that doesn't work out, it's also the same road that will lead me back down. So I think when I come across it, I'm gonna take a left and just go up. You can't see up right now because there's a bunch of trees in the way. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try to go up again. And if that doesn't work out, then I'm just gonna head straight down. And here we are. So left to go up and right to go down. We're gonna take a left. It's getting steeper. I wish we could see what's behind me. You can barely make it out through the tree, through the leaves and stuff. But hopefully there's a better view up here at the top. I am shocked at how much is up here actually. Like, there are some really nice homes and a lot of infrastructure up here. I mean, there are power cables still. And I feel like I'm really far up the mountain and away from the town. So yeah, this has been really interesting. So I found a spot with a view. Let's see, I started, where is it? There, like straight ahead. Started over there. I kind of walked all the way over there. You can't really see with all the trees and stuff. But I think when I come down, I'm gonna try to get over there where all of the water is. I don't think I'll make it all the way out to the sea. We're just kind of that delta down there. It's pretty cool. Okay, well, looks like I made it about as far as I can get again. Here's the view. I am really surprised actually that they're like, you know, there's a house all the way up there with a farm, and they're just regular people out there going about their daily, you know, minding their own business. Like, I'm here on vacation, hiking, wandering up their driveway, looking at the view, thinking this is like crazy, this is beautiful. And they're just out there like yelling at sheep because they're not behaving. Like, that is so funny, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so I'm on my way back down. We'll see by the time I get down the hill, we'll see how much stamina I have left, if I want to get all the way over to the river yet, or if I just want to head straight back to Tralee. We'll see. Anyway, yeah, here's the way back down. Oh, and Amy, Grandma and I are sending you a letter, and just so you know, post office was closed today, so I carried it all the way up the mountain with me. Yeah, just so you know, if it's a little beat up, sorry, it was on top of an Irish mountain. Believe how nice some of the houses are all the way up here. I guess with a view like this, it's crazy though. I made it back to where I turned over there. So now we are heading all the way down the hill. I am almost back to the Airbnb, which is great because my feet hurt. It's been about like 11 miles, yeah. So I mean, nothing.